In this tutorial, leveraging the power of AI in education, I'll show you how to build an online course using Fotor Video Agent. If you're a math teacher looking for a faster way to explain complex concepts like geometry theorems or create more visual online learning experiences, this workflow will walk you through how these tools can transform difficult math problems into clear and easy to understand visual models.
First, open Fotor Video Agent and create a new project. Click the prompt box and describe the math lesson you want to create. To generate clear AI math educational animations, the key lies in crafting structured. First, set anti-junk text rules. Limit text output and strictly prohibit distorted symbols to ensure all formulas remain crisp and legible. Second, standardize visuals and color schemes. Use a plain white background, a flat 2D vector style, and hex color codes to pin down mathematical elements, preventing visual confusion. Third, break down logic by scenes. Divide the problem-solving process chronologically into a seamless flow. Initial model right arrow, dynamic derivation right arrow, final result. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate and let AI create the first version of your lesson. Review the generated scenes and adjust the visuals if needed. You can refine each part without rebuilding the entire lesson from scratch. Next, add AI narration to explain each concept clearly. These math teacher AI tools help make lessons more engaging and easier for students to follow. Regenerate the opening part by inputting appropriate prompt words. Adjust the image and background. Turn on subtitles to highlight important information and make your lessons more accessible for every learner. Finally, click Export to save and share your AI-generated math lesson.
Welcome to today's math lesson. We'll make geometry super easy and visual. Let's get started. Let's prove a plus b squared using this square. This gives a squared b squared and two ab's. This proves a plus b squared. Picture 2x plus 3 balanced against 7 on a scale. Subtract 3 from both sides, leaving 2x equals 4. Divide both sides by 2 equally. 1x balances 2 units, so x equals 2.
Whether you are a math teacher looking to save preparation time or exploring new ways to use AI in education, AI-powered tools can help you create engaging lessons without spending hours creating materials manually. With AI-powered workflows, teachers can spend less time preparing materials and more time helping students truly understand mathematics.